Good afternoon, Grummy. Today is Monday, August the 11th. Checking out the little American beauty berries. Some of them, they're starting to ripen up in spots. Yeah, I'll try to get some damn cuttings next spring before they go into flower. See if I can't get them to root. Send some of these things out of here. This bitch is getting the chainsaw this winter. I'll cut this bitch way back. It is blowing up. Ooh, doggy, a little quickie walk through here. All kind of leaks. Oh, Mskay, I can't wait to get a hold of you, girl. Ah. I've been picking the hell out of okra. Got something going on up here. I did not spray the veggies last night when I sprayed the plants. I'm gonna spray this bitch tonight. Got something going on there. I don't want to get in anywhere else. My little squash that squash bugs tried to take out rooted itself. Still making me some squash. Come on, girl. Topped all my Brussels sprouts. I should have studied up on this thing before I planted them. I know what I'm going to do next year, though. I'm going to have me a bunch of them some bitches. But I topped them. I can see that they're already filling out better. My buddy Ronnie came by here yesterday. Put a pretty good hurting on my damn supply. And he raped my damn garden. But he didn't get them all. I told him to get them damn red ones. Got all the ripe maters. No, Chris did that the day before. Yeah. They're raping me, Grummies. Fucking raping me. Bell peppers are rocking and rolling. Shit, I don't know how many he picked off yesterday. Oh. Yep, I've been out here tackling Mskay's fucking bush beans. Yeah. I'm gonna show you a little bit about that here in a minute. I'm coming for your ass, Kay. God damn it. Yep. Picked all my cucumbers clean. My buddy. But yeah, I can see that they starting to fill on out a lot better than I topped them. You're supposed to top and lollipop your Brussels sprouts. Yeah. They're coming on. It's been drizzling out here. I'm taking off tomorrow. I'm tightening up this shit show. I got 20 goddamn gallon jugs around back here all in a pile. Damn, that doctor's arms. Whew. Yeah. Starting to see a little light through there now. I guess I'm about 2/3 of the way through these bush beans. You can see some light through there now. But you can't see that's a fucking jungle over there. We'll get you on a damn stand here. I'm gonna show you what Miss K's doing to my ass. Yeah, look at my shit. Shit on my hair. Shit on my goddamn face. I'm coming for you, Kay. When I'm done with these bitches tomorrow, when I say jump, they gonna scream how high. Yeah. You know I love you, Kay. All right, y'all motherfuckers, I'm out of here. Appreciate you. Peace.